Hi, Mike Robe here from ACT Bio-Remediation Products, and I am used in industrial, commercial, and residential cleanup of unintended spills. I'm a microorganism from plant life and the active ingredients in ACT products. Now, I'm not just any microorganism. I'm what is referred to as a viable microorganism that has been engineered. That means we work together to eliminate protein and petroleum spills and stains. What's a protein? In short, it is the building block of various living organisms. And what is petroleum? It is a mixture of hydrocarbons and other substances and is prepared for use as gasoline, naphtha, or other products by various refining processes. That's what I eat. What makes the ACT blend so unique is that it contains all of the nutrients, phosphorus, and nitrates I need to do my job. Think of it as the perfect place for me to hang out until I need to go to work. So here's how it works. Once applied to a spill or stain, I adhere to the area, while in the ACT product, and eat the materials, and soon the spill stain area evaporates. Now, you're asking yourself, am I safe? And the answer is a loud yes. I have been tested by the Environmental Protection Agency and received placement on the National Contingency Plan Subpart J National Product Listing for Emergency Spill Response. My listing is B71. All of the ACT products line follows this patent-pending formula, and we have the USDA Bio-Preferred certification. The ACT formula has matured me to such a degree that I now work in temperatures from plus 150 to minus 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and accomplishing total cleanup in as little as 7 to 28 days. I'm a green, clean, contamination-eating machine. Let me introduce you to the ACT product line. Our industrial formula, ACT Terra Firma. This formula is designed to be used in all temperatures and on all surfaces, including water and soil. It is used in the elimination of protein, petroleum, biohazards, hazardous waste, and algae. ACT Terra Firma makes industrial site cleanup safe and cost-effective. ACT Concrete Cleaner and Asphalt Cleaner. This cleaner is our commercial and residential grade formula. Now, commercial and residential consumers can clean areas such as job sites, parking lots, dumpster areas, driveways, and garages. By applying this product to these areas, refined oils and greases, along with protein-based substances, will soon be totally eliminated. ACT Concrete Cleaner. This product is USDA Bio-Preferred certification, giving the consumer the confidence that they are using new green technology with a sound environmental outcome. ACT Asphalt Cleaner. This product is just what you need to clean up your asphalt. ACT Asphalt Cleaner provides our clients with the aesthetic appearance needed while it restores the surface back to its original state. ACT Absorbance. This product is a fiber ACT Terra Firma blended material, giving it the ability to absorb and remediate a spill, eliminating the need for disposal and the associated fees. It is available in 25-pound bags, 150-pound bags, recycle system, and is in our Bio-Remediation Emergency Spill Kit. ACT Container Cleaner. This product is used in the cleanup of industrial and commercial dumpsters and trash compactors, eliminating odors and preventing leaks. It is available in 25-pound bags. ACT Trash Container Deodorizer Cleaner. This product is the residential scented formula used to control odors and cleans any metal or plastic trash receptacle. ACT Corral Cleaner. This product is used for animal stall cleanup, controlling odors and fly larvae. This amazing product makes small cleanup a breeze, and it is environmentally friendly to our four-legged friends. ACT Drain Mate. This product keeps drains flowing and stops odors. Used in household and industrial drains, septic systems, holding tanks, RVs, and oil water separators. ACT products work, and they are all environmentally friendly and cost-effective. I am proud to be such an integral part in such amazing products.